the mountainside, and at the top there were men wearing suits and ties, and in their thoughts they were building an empire. The fields and stars that used to be mine, metal birds that hung on the clothesline, swung back and forth across the valley spine. And they said, child, you could be the one if you move this way. I'll get you back to none. Spend my days under the dirty sun. I work 9 to 5 and 5 to 1. And their doors always gave me the